Today's topic is sorting the list consists of the tuple by some sort of a specific order. We have the two methods, method 1 using the sorted index method and a lambda, and method 2 using list comprehension filter method and a lambda. Let's start from the method 1. First, we are going to initialize our list and a specific order for it. The order can be arbitrary, and then comes our main line of our program over here. Let me give you a brief introduction about the index, right? So what index method does is it's going to search every element in our list, and after that it's going to return the position of the element in the list. Now it's going to work through the order, that's why it is order.index1. And here we have used a lambda function over here which gives the value to the key. So what the sorted method does is it consists of the two parameters, our list and the key, and the reverse which we are not going to use over here. So the key has been set to the lambda over here. So what this key does is it's going to take the values from the index method over here, which is going to send the position of the element according to the order over here, and sort is going to sort our list using those positions, and then the list is going to create our list according to the sorted, and it's gonna store in the list 2, and then it's gonna get printed over here. As you can see it over here, our first order is the 4, which is the position of the z. So the z4, and then the following back, which is 2, 3, 9, 6, 1, and with the 5. If you are not giving a specific kind of an order, let's say if I forgot to write 1 over here, then it's going to give me an error. As you can see, 1 is not in the list, which consists of a w position of over here. So make sure if you are using by a specific order sorting the list of the tuple, so you have to contain each and every order of it in our ordering sequence.